If you look at the price of silver, the price is now trading at a level of $32.717. Okay, and chances of going further upside we can see, because see there is a clear U pattern is forming. So if it sustain above this level, it can cross a level of 32.9 and from there a level of $33.2. Okay, and suppose if it started going above this level, probability of going towards 33.5, and from there a further upside we can see towards 33.7. This 33.7 is already being tested, so it will cross this particular level, and from there a level of 33.9, and from there a level of $34. Okay, and once started moving over this level, probability of touching 34.2 will be there, and from there it will cross a level of 34.5. Okay, chances are very high, but if the price didn't sustain, it can move again towards 32.3, and from there a level of 32.14, and chances of breaking a level of 31.9 to a level of around 31 will be a zone breakout, so further fall we can see. Okay, see the price of silver also depends on a lot of factors, but one of them is dollar index. I have clearly explained you that in my gold video, that dollar index trading above a level of 100, and once started moving below a level of 99.9 or $8, there is a high chances that it can come down. Okay, so when the silver started going down, we see the dollar index started going up. The dollar index started going up, we can see the silver price goes down, and vice versa. Okay, now looking at this particular chart, what we can see, chances are high that suppose if it sustain, because a clear pattern is forming, a trend is forming, so chances are high if it sustain above this level, this smaller pattern supporting upside, so it can touch a level of 32.9, and from there it can touch a level of 32.95, and once started touching this level, we can see a level of 33.14, which is already being tested. So chances are high the price will move further upside, and it will touch a level of $33.5, and from there a further high we can see about 33.7. Then there will be a zone breakout, so further upside we can see towards a level of $34. Okay, and if that sustain, a further upside we can see towards 34.2 to a level of $34.5. Okay, and then there will be a zone breakout, so we can see there will be a further upside movement. Okay, but suppose if the price didn't sustain, what we can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain, we can see it can touch a level of around $32.3. Okay, and if the price moving below that particular level, chances of crossing a level of 32.2 will be there, that is already being tested. Okay, so we can see the price will move further down towards 31.9 to a level of around 31.6, and if the price falling below that particular level, chances of going towards a level of 31.2 to a level of $31. Suppose if started going below this level, chance of touching 30.8, and from there it will move towards 30.4, and then a further downfall we can see towards 29.6. Chances are very high, so you have to understand 2-3 things. If it started sustaining over 33.12, upside we can see from this pattern, and this pattern, bigger pattern, will support this trend, so chances of crossing 33.7 is there, and that because that is already being tested. So then it will move towards 34, and then from there a level of 34.2, and then it can cross a level of 34.6. But if that didn't sustain, a further fall we can see towards 31.9, and then to a level of 31.6, so chances of going towards 31.3 to a level of around 30.7, and from there a further fall we can see towards $29.6 after crossing a level of 30. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. Again, the mail ID is also in the description. Okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you do my channel, subscribe. Thank you.